Prestige Popular uses the best quality virgin aluminium with stronger lugs and thick base to give your cooker a safe and long life. Sleeker handles allow for better grip. Available in various sizes of cooking capacities for all sizes of family. Comes with a set of safety features like GRS, Gasket Release System, and MSP, metallic safety plug. ISI certified and also confirms to all international standards. Prestige Popular uses the best quality virgin aluminium with stronger lugs and thick base to give your cooker a safe and long life. Sleeker handles allow for better grip. Note: kindly refer user manual before use. Prestige Popular uses the best quality virgin aluminium with stronger lugs and thick base to give your cooker a safe and long life. Sleeker handles allow for better grip. Available in various sizes of cooking capacities for all sizes of family. 5 liter is the capacity of the total volume after closing the lid. Comes with a set of safety features like GRS, Gasket Release System, and MSP, metallic safety plug. ISI certified and also confirms to all international standards. Top reviews from the United States. Hooray for Prestige Indian pressure cookers. I am a European-American vegetarian who does a lot of Indian cooking. I had heard about the whistling pressure cookers of India and was intrigued. I liked the idea that instead of watching a clock, keeping track of the progress of your recipe was a more informal system of counting whistles, a great thing for we tired, harried multitaskers. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money to find out if I liked them, so I tried this dear little Prestige 4-liter aluminum cooker at an economical Amazon reseller price. I love it. It makes even complex recipes very simple and fast, and for we vegetarians, the cooking of beans and pulses is now effortless and quick. I load it, seal the lid, and let the dear little thing hiss at intervals, which I can keep track of while I am doing something else. Well, I had been expecting a whistle, but mine lets go with this wonderful old faithful style hiss. No waiting. Releasing the pressure is so easy, because all you have to do is put a spoon under the weight that fits on the spout, and it is safely gone in seconds and you can open the lid. Opening and closing it is very easy. I have full confidence in its safety. If the food is not cooked to your expectations, you put the lid back on, fire it up again, and let it go a few more whistles, hisses. I do find that my meals tend to require a couple more hisses than the recipes call for, so I wonder if the pressure is not as intense as in some other models, but that it is a minor issue. It is easy to clean and maintain as well. Excellent design, simplicity itself. It's up there with my Cuisinart as beloved kitchen tools. No matter how tired I am, I can toss a few things in, and have a delicious, nutritious fresh meal in less time than a microwave. Having fallen in love with Prestige Indian pressure cookers, which I use for all kinds of recipes now, I will be investing in a larger Prestige stainless steel one for when I cook for guests too. In the time it took me to write this review, my dear little Prestige 4-liter aluminum pressure cooker prepared me a restaurant-quality dinner. Enthusiastically recommended. Thank you, India, for your wonderful whistling, hissing pressure cookers.